Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Asana calendar for scheduling project milestones, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate the Asana calendar for scheduling project milestones, begin by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the project for which you want to activate the calendar. Locate the project toolbar at the top of the screen. Click on the calendar tab found within the toolbar. If you do not see the calendar tab, ensure you are in the project view, as it may be hidden in other views. Once in the calendar view, you will see the dates marked for tasks and milestones. To add a milestone, click on the plus button or a date on the calendar. This will open a task creation window. Fill in the task name and details related to the milestone. Make sure to set the due date for the milestone. To designate this task as a milestone, toggle the Mark as Milestone option. This option may be represented as a checkbox or switch, depending on your Asana setup. After marking it as a milestone, click on the Create Task button. Your milestone will now appear on the calendar. You can drag and drop tasks to adjust them on the calendar easily. To view additional details for any milestone, simply click on it in the calendar view. This allows you to update information or change due dates as needed. To filter the calendar view, use the filter options available in the upper right corner. This helps you focus on specific tasks and milestones. Review your calendar regularly to keep track of upcoming milestones. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure your project stays on schedule. Utilizing the calendar feature in Asana will enhance your project's organization and visibility. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively manage your project milestones through the Asana calendar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.